Glynis, your friendly SEO specialist, and today I'm here to give you a short little lesson on title tags and meta description. So I want to share with you some best practices and also some mistakes that you want to avoid when it comes to your SEO title tags and meta descriptions. So what are title tags and meta descriptions? Well, the title tag is the blue clickable link that you see in the Google search engine results page. And the title tag is the two sentences that are right underneath it. And so what you want to do is include your important keywords in the title tag. You want to make sure that the title tag is around 55 to 60 characters long. Otherwise, it will get truncated. And so you want to make sure that you include the keywords to as close to the front of the title tag as possible. You want to make sure that the title tag sounds natural. And you also want to make sure that all your title tags are unique for every page. As far as meta descriptions, that should be around 150 characters or less. And it should also contain your keywords as well. And you should also include a call to action within the title tag. And really, you don't want to over-optimize it, but each meta description should also be unique as well for every page. And so the important thing to really keep in mind is to really be able to describe what is on the page within your meta description, so people have an idea when they see the result, they see the title tag, and then you have your brief description of what the page is about. And something you want to avoid is to not do your title tags or just leave the default or leave them blank, because normally you will see either they will leave it as your company name as the title tag, or whatever the default is. Maybe it will be just the name of your product, and then it'll just default it to perhaps the product description. But you don't want it to just leave it like that, because you really want to ensure that you have all the proper keywords within your title tag and meta descriptions, so that it is searchable within search engines, right? So really, you want to be found on search for any keywords that people type into Google. If they're looking for your product, you want to show up and be found. And so really, those are my best practices and tips to give you today. And in terms of being able to implement the title tags and meta descriptions within your site, it depends on the choice of platform that you're using. And so it really depends on the platform. So really have a look and see how to implement it. You can perhaps look under the help section or ask your web developer for help with that if you need to. Otherwise, I hope you found this information to be helpful, and I will look forward to talking to you again soon.